So I was texting my boss yesterday, and my Samsung keyboard autocorrected meeting to, well, let's just say something I definitely did not want to send to my boss. And that's when I realized we've all got these embarrassing saved words lurking in our keyboards, just waiting to ruin our day. Today, I'm showing you how to delete saved words on Samsung keyboard so this never happens to you. We've all been there. When your keyboard keeps suggesting that embarrassing typo or weird word from months ago popping up every time you type. It's annoying and persistent. But don't worry, I've got the simple fix for it. All right, let's dive in. Method number 1. Delete individual words. To remove a single word, open any app where you can type, like Messages or Notes. We'll use my text messaging app for example in this guide. Start typing the unwanted word until it appears in the suggestion bar above your keyboard. Here's the trick. Don't tap it when it appears. Instead, press and hold on that word. A pop-up menu will appear asking if you want to remove it from learned words. Just tap Remove and it's gone forever. This is the fastest method when you only need to delete saved words on Samsung keyboard one at a time. Method number 2. Clear all saved words at once. If you want a complete fresh start and delete saved words on your Samsung keyboard all at once, here's what to do. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Then tap the gear icon to enter settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Then select Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll to the bottom of this menu and tap Reset to Default Settings. Look for the option called Erase Personalized Predictions. This is your key to delete saved words on Samsung keyboard completely. However, be careful not to select Reset Keyboard Settings, as that could change your layout or theme. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Erase to wipe out all learned words and typos. Your keyboard predictions are now completely cleared, but don't worry. This won't affect your downloaded languages or other customizations. Why this matters. Knowing how to delete saved words on Samsung keyboard gives you complete control over your typing experience. Whether you're fixing persistent typos, protecting your privacy, or just want a clean slate, these methods make it super easy. Here are pro tips. Samsung doesn't provide a full list of learned words to edit manually, so these are the best built-in ways to delete saved words on Samsung keyboard. Also, if you use text shortcuts like BRB, expanding to Be Right Back, those are stored separately and won't be affected. You can edit those in the text shortcuts section under keyboard settings. So that's how to delete saved words on Samsung keyboard using both methods, targeting individual words or clearing everything at once. Choose whichever approach works best for your situation. If you have any questions about this process, drop them in the comments below. And if this tutorial helped you finally delete saved words on your Samsung keyboard, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Android tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.